All right, y'all. So this is the homework that somebody had asked from 9.1. And so I know some of y'all haven't gotten there, but you'll get there eventually. And so, and again, 9.1, y'all, just to give you a heads up, this is for week two stuff. And I do open up everything week one and week two at a time. So, we're at the tail end of week one. If you haven't gotten there yet, you got plenty of time, okay? But anyway, I wanted to go ahead and do this problem because somebody did ask it. And it says, in choosing one state at random, are you likely to choose a state that begins with a consonant, or are you likely to choose a state that begins with a vowel? And then what's the probability of each? Okay, so look, y'all. I am not a history or geography teacher, but I do know that we got 50 states, right? So when I was doing this problem, when I was thinking about this problem, this is honestly what I did. I'm going to go show you exactly my steps. I went to Google and I typed in alphabetical list of the U.S. states. That's what I typed in. And I'm going to go ahead and click on this one right here. And because it is going to give them to me in alphabetical order. Okay, so let's see. I don't know why there's such a space, but look, we have Alabama, Arizona. We're going to go through the list. Okay, I have 50 of them. Y'all, what I want to do is I want to count the ones that have vowels, and I want to count the ones that have consonants. Okay, so Alabama is 1, Alaska is 2, Arizona is 3, Arkansas is 4. I'm counting the ones that have vowels. So Arkansas was 4, Idaho makes 5, Illinois is 6, Indiana is 7, Iowa 8. I'm going to keep scrolling until I have another vowel. Ohio is 9, Oklahoma is 10, Oregon is 11. Let's see. Utah makes 12. Yeah, so we got 12 states that have vowels, start with vowels. So look, let's 12 start with vowels. So that means the rest, 50 minus 12, 38, start with consonants, okay? I know that's a pretty messy way to write consonants. Okay, so look, y'all, what I'm going to do is this. The probability that our state starts with a vowel is going to be 12 out of 50. And the probability that we start with a consonant is going to be 38 out of 50. So I'm just going to take my calculator. And y'all, this is just kind of like a calculator app that I downloaded. It's called Graph and Calc 83, but there's a bunch of different calculator apps. If you want to, you can download them on your phones or iPads, whatever, right? So let's see. I already forgot how many had vowels. 12. Okay, so look, guys, I'm going to do this. Grab my calculator. 12 divided by 50. Okay, it's given to me as a fraction. I'm going to convert it to a decimal. There's a little button here that says math, and number 2 says convert that to a decimal, 0.24. All right, so let's come back over here. So as a decimal, this is 0.24. So y'all, if this is 0.24, my probabilities have to add up to 1. So I can just say, what's 1 minus 0.24? 1 minus 0.24 is 0.76. Think about it like a dollar, right? If I add 24 cents, how much more do I need to get to a dollar? 76, right? All right, so let's come back over here. This is 0.76. Now, all I'm going to do here, y'all, I'm going to choose either A, B, or C. So part A says I'm more likely to choose a state that begins with a vowel. No, that number is smaller. So I'm more likely to choose a state that begins with a consonant. So I'm going to choose part B because my probability with a vowel, y'all, is 0.24, and me getting the probability with a consonant is 0.76. And that's really what I had to do, okay? So, guys, I do want to point out that I don't expect you to memorize, how many states start with a vowel, how many start with a consonant. And obviously you can see I didn't either. And that's why I just kind of did a quick Google search so I could find it. But that's basically how I did the problem. Y'all got questions? Let me know. I'm happy to help.